Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to insert a SIM card to your Redmi 14C. So first things first, ensure that you have a SIM ejector tool. It usually comes inside the box. So grab your SIM ejector tool and then ensure that you have your SIM cards or SIM cards. And then the next thing, you have to locate the SIM tray on this device. So the SIM tray is basically located on the top left side of the phone. So here it is, that's the SIM tray. And then once you locate the SIM tray, all you have to do is grab your SIM ejector tool and then insert the SIM ejector tool on that hole next to the SIM tray. Once you insert it like that, all you have to do is apply some pressure on it. So press in until you see the SIM card tray pop out. Now once it pops out, simply remove it from your device. So pull it out and there you go. You've successfully removed your SIM tray. So for this phone, as you can see, it has 2 SIM card slots, so it supports a dual SIM. And also if you have an SD card, you can simply insert your SD card. Now, once you have removed your SIM card tray, all you have to do is grab your SIM cards. So here are my SIM cards, so simply grab them. So grab your SIM card and insert it on the tray. So ensure that your tray is looking like this, with the silver faces or silver things facing on top. So once you're done, all you have to do is grab your SIM card and place it on the SIM card tray. So place it like that, and there you go. You have successfully placed the SIM card. And then now grab the second SIM card and do the same instructions. So grab the second SIM card and then place it on the second slot on your SIM card tray. Now once you have placed your SIM cards, all you have to do is grab your phone and then insert the SIM card tray back to your device. So simply insert it. So simply insert it. So insert the SIM card and then push it in gently. And then once you push it in, ensure that it's flush with your SIM. And then once you're done, you can simply unlock your phone and it should automatically detect the SIM cards. So let's give it a few minutes or a few seconds, and you can see at the top of the screen your SIM cards has been detected. Or alternatively, you can simply open the settings and then within the settings simply select mobile networks, and you should now see your SIM cards have been detected. So I had this SIM card and this SIM card. So there you go. You have successfully inserted your SIM cards on your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.